Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nia Daniati. I'm from English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Ibnu Khaldun Bogor. Today I will present the research entitled University Student Reception of ChatGPT as a Tool for Assisting Writing by Rizka Amalia, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim, Malang 2024. Here is the outline of my presentation. I will briefly walk you through the background, problem, objective, literature review, research method, finding, conclusion, and the last part is Q&A session. So let's start this material. Okay, the background of this study is English writing is one of the most challenging skill to EFL learners. With the rise of EA tool like GPT, many students now use them to assist their learning process. However, we still need to understand how students actually feel about using these tools. Okay, so the main research question is what are university student perception of using ChatGPT as tools to assist their writing? Okay, based on that, the objective is to explore and identify how students perceive ChatGPT in helping them improve their writing skills. Okay, several studies have shown that AI tools can support language learning. ChatGPT in particular help with grammar, vocabulary, and writing structure. However, there are also concerns like lack of context or overly formal responses. Okay, this is qualitative study using a phenomenological approach. The researcher interviewed 5 students from the English Education Department who had experience using ChatGPT in their learning process daily. Data were analyzed thematically. So, in the finding here, most students had positive perception. They said ChatGPT helped improve their grammar, vocabulary, and confidence in writing. However, challenges included overly formal answer, lack of slang recognition, and no pronunciation support till they feel it supported their learning and motivation. So, in the conclusion, ChatGPT is a helpful tool for writing support. It's give fast feedback and encourages independent learning, but it cannot replace a human teacher, especially in dealing with speaking or informal expression. Okay, thank you for listening. That's the end of my presentation. If you have a question, I'd be happy to answer any question you have. Okay, Mutia Alifa.
Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you to the presenter for your explanation. I want to ask about can the use of ChatGPT in the writing process lead to dependence, thereby hindering students' independence in learning?
Okay, this is a valid concern. In research findings, while GPT enhances student efficiency and confidence, there is no strong evidence that they become overly dependent. In fact, some participant mentioned that ChatGPT encourage them to practice writing more diligently because they can receive quick feedback without fear of judgment. However, there must be clear boundaries and guidelines for its use to ensure students continue to develop critical thinking skill and avoid simply copying AI generate answer for verbatim. Yeah, that maybe that's the answer for your question. Okay, that's enough. Or you have another question?
Thank you. That's enough. Thank you.
Thank you, Alifa. Okay, next question. Yes, Kusmas Dawati, your turn.
Okay, thank you for your presentation today. It's very interesting and wonderful. I have a question. How do research ensure that students' perception of ChatGPT are not biased by current trends or popularity? That's it.
Okay, thank you for your question. Uh, I will answer it. So, researchers use a phenomenological approach and semi-structured interviews, which allow for an in-depth exploration of each participation personal experience with open-ended question. Respondents could express their honest view, both positive and negative. Some even raise challenges such as contextual inquiries of difficult understanding slang, indicating that their perception were not only influenced by trends but based on real experiences and critical assessment of ChatGPT's strength and limitation. Maybe that's the answer for your question. Do you have any question?
No, there's a clearly enough answer. Thank you, Nia.
Okay. Thank you for all of the participation today. This is all of my presentation and Q&A session. I finish it. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Why?
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.